National Weather Statement, issued at 11:11 a.m. The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Clatsop County in northwestern Oregon, northwestern Wahkiakum County in southwestern Washington, central Pacific County in southwestern Washington, until 11:45 a.m. At 11:10 a.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. A tornado is also possible with the storm. This storm was located near Warrenton and moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Penny-sized hail may also accompany the damaging winds. Locations impacted include Astoria, Warrenton, Grays River, Francis, Nassau, Hammontown, Rossburg, Leebam, Deep River, Megler, Pillar Rock, Altoona, Napton, Hammond and Chinook. This includes the following highways in Washington. U. South. Highway 101 between mile markers 1 and 7. State Route 4 between mile markers 4 and 28. State Route 6 between mile markers 15 and 20. This includes the following highways in Oregon. U. South. Highway 30 West OF Portland between mile markers 89 and 99. U. South. Highway 101 between mile markers 1 and 15. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. This is a supercell thunderstorm due to the rotating nature of these storms. They are capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extreme